What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today I want to do a setup makeover for myself. As you guys can see, I really do need some upgrade because I want to make my setup more presentable and look a little bit better. I'm a firm believer of having a great setup because I believe it will help me immensely in being more productive and getting a lot more done in a day. It also helps a lot since we stuck at home most of the time, and that's being the things that I interact with on a daily basis. The first step that I took is cleaning up my desk, decluttering and get rid of something that I don't need, and dusting off the dust that built up over time and making more clear and having like a blank canvas that I can work with. Right, after dusting my desk, the first thing that I put is my laptop stand. I bought it pretty cheap actually to replace the box. As you guys can see, it's not really good looking, and that's why that's my first purchase, because I think that's the most I saw, if you will. Second of all, replacing the peripherals, because the last one that I've used is actually the one that laying around the house. It's not really good, so it's really game changing because having proper peripherals helps me a lot in having a better setup. And to spice things up, I put in some decoration, maybe some books, to make my setup more lively. Having the decoration make my setup shine. Speaking of shine, I actually bought a new desk lamp for my desk. It's really good for reading, and actually I'm using it right now to be the key light for this video. And also I put in a smart bulb inside it so I can control it, the brightness and the colors. And not to mention, I also bought a new wireless charging, so it will be more convenient to charge my phone. Looking back to my old setup, I really changed a lot of things, and I'm really happy with the new setup. It's really convenient, really nice, more presentable than the last one, which is good. And I will try my best to list all the products that I've talked about in this video down below in the description. So if you guys interested in buying it, you guys can check it out. And I guess, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe if you watch until the end of the video, maybe you can consider subscribe. Maybe, just maybe. See you in the next one. Peace.